morning, country people, then with this salute. All when I don't she down now. For front television for see wait when NJANGI man it don't bring them. NJANGI na one thing where it help people them for inside Cameroon. Because we not get money for take and go keep them for bank. Even you put them for bank tomorrow, you will hear a different story. Bank it don't go transnear. Bank it don't go waka. Bank it don't go transfer. Bank it don't disappear. So NJANGI na the only place where if you go keep your money. This man chop am, he go do his own work day. Tomorrow, this one chop am, he go do his own work. Tomorrow, me say I chop am, go do my own work day. So now the way that way we don't see and say this, so with NJANGI, anything it be possible. But plenty people do not understand the meaning for NJANGI. For NJANGI house, when you go for inside NJANGI or inside meeting, when you be president, or you be secretary, or you be treasurer, me will not look out. Me will not look out because when I did that time, the big people them for inside the meeting house. When I go she down, when I create with the laws, where go to govern the meeting. If fine, I not fine again. If fine how? Meeting house, it get forget laws. It bad how? It bad now because now when I say don't choose when I say for make the laws. And forget for no say this so one day election go happen where they go come out when I put different president. And when new president go come, it go so take now the laws they follow them. And that law them it go must can cash those way they be put in the law. Example for Cameroon. When they follow debate them for inside a radio and TV station, when I see those where they will write law for this country, the law it don't turn back, it catch them. They will write the law time where they be there for service. Now time when they don't come out them for service, law it don't start to catch them. So me you not ever create law for any association you want because it could turn back catch now you. Woman, when you say self it is she done with man picking the bond picking them. When the man picking, it don't know your family for woman. Now big mistake because if you woman you die for inside your house, that means say you don't put the man picking for inside trouble. You will go prison say don't kill person, and your family member not gonna say you don't die. So confusion did it, and that time the woman it not get respect for side from a massa, and it not get to respect for side for your family. That time it could try way for involve for anything where family it do am and where you be woman it not gonna make no sense. So any woman where they stay with man and where family for the woman don't know the man, family for the man it don't know the family for the woman, no say we not there for permanent danger. Now message for today. Me we enter now for inside strong number chapter 1 now Palava price them. Palava price them for taxi for inside a Cameroon. For inside Yaoundé, it don't go some kind way because passenger, it talks to the so it get problem with taxi man because of 50 francs. Because taxi now, for that time, now 350 francs, for night, now 400. And then taxi man too, it vex say they so price for petrol don't go up plenty, but they don't add price for taxi under 50 francs. Now they all price that, and now the new price this, where the show say they so, where you want come Yaoundé, try wait for change 50 francs, if not so, you na taxi man go fight. Yesterday we been at the end for Rigobert's song where we be na coach for Lions for Cameroon. Yesterday he contract it don't finish. Now anyway, minister will be in charge of sport for country. He come out big book say this so the Rigobert's song he contract don't finish. That means say it go fair turn up. Me then see whether it is so it go continue or you know go continue. If na say no go continue, that means say it go shit over the very chair. If na say no go continue, different person go take his place. Another one now Palava T-brother where they don't catch him for site for Douala. When they kidnap some guy when a university a student for site for insect, they kidnap him after they can't hide him for Ndoxibi. Ndoxibi now for that site for where you come out for site for machine bopping you can't pass Carrefour Ajib before you go reach for Ndoxibi. So it remain with that girl 4 days for inside house a chop soya after it asked 2 million me the family again before it release the picking slice after it go call police. Site for some morning time, it tell we say what it tell we say, person where he don't die, he no care for place where it is sleep. Person where he don't die, he no they ever care for place where it is sleep. Person where send for we na Prince Lambert Kiven where it is send for we for Chapelle Obili for inside Yaoundé. Woman where support him na Ma Pascaline. Ma Pascaline, USSF is support him for place where they call and say Messager. Messager it then for that side for Donga Mantum and for Northwest Cameroon. NJANGI will come back before the truth it come out. We just also repeat them say this, so those where they follow we for Facebook. Where Facebook page, the name na General Moko NJANGI House LTM. If you just go for Facebook, you type them General Moko NJANGI House LTM. You will see them. We don't climb for number now. We go now. Now 20,000 people them where they watch the program every day for country. Yes. So now so it is. So try wait for subscribe to so that may you be combi. Like the link so that anytime we will do live, you could get we. And if you know if you get we after the program, just go one time for YouTube. You tap NJANGI House. Simple. Yes, NJANGI House. And then you could get the program. Subscribe so that you be member for inside the group. Any talk where we talk USSF you get for year and contribute. Now we enter the talk now. Chapter 1 now Palava price for taxi where it don't climb for 50 francs for inside Yaoundé and for inside Cameroon. Now so camera for LTM it be tonton for inside Yaoundé for Lucam how passenger and taxi they play live. We see say so plenty passenger them they don't turn at one place because of 50 francs. Taxi man it talks say so even the price don't go up for 50 francs. Nominal 50 francs be the problem. It carry people for 100. And then when I see the new price 350 for daytime, for night now 400 francs. And then for speaking them, they pay 300 francs for daytime and then they want. This one now driver we don't work for 22 years for inside taxi work for inside Yaoundé. You say they talk to this so government is the only fight the on and syndicate them that they ever fight their own time where they want strike, they go talk say no, me they wait, me they go sing gum now. When they go down, they take their money, put up for pocket, they talk to me, they come and work. 50 francs now how much? Petrol it don't climb for 120 or 130 francs, but they can earn 50 francs for taxi. That means say na laugh, where did they laugh them? Taxi people them like say taxi no be work. So plenty passenger them they go work late because of the change. Because change in order for Cameroon, that means say coins them in order for Cameroon at all. Now why that way they pack as with the pack so it not be normal and normal. So now we could ask them for this countryman, me tell we, countryman, you said you be aware say they don't take price for taxi for 350 for daytime, 400 for night. Talk me with you, Mr. Ali.
Price of taxi they don't bring her up. Everything they gonna up so. This morning me I be aware because I always they around my house and come on my own motor. But I discovered say the taxi don't be. The price don't high for common man. We go make our life go really be difficult for plenty things there. So many things say we don't touch taxi, so the price of fuel we don't high, so it really affect economic activities. It really make economic activity go down. It slow in them because price is high, transportation for chop the high, basic commodity they become very difficult for human being them. So I think that this situation where taxi the high so now because of this increase in fuel prices. At least the increase in fuel prices there so. It don't always go up now. We don't know which side go end, but we believe say me they try to do something where it will really be better for common man because the rich they never feel the impact that much, but the person where they hustle, they struggle every day, they come out, they go, they pay the amount. So until economic activity they work the way you want. Now New Year this now February this enter March where things are a bit difficult. So we really hope say me this thing better small. I don't know what are some way the government fit look at, but that one are their own decision where they fit take them. But for we common people who understand to say the economy needs some revival way at least petrol to go up and it cause a lot of hard times.
T'arrives à 350 ans, mais de quoi cause de no désigné donc pour nous déposer ça. Oui, dem de paix. Puis bah oui de payer 100 francs. Et c'est fait jam. every day me carry 100 francs no every day people wey they pay 100 francs no make euro you pay na 100 francs you try to get small change no you go do you will not get choice no get choice
for inside Yaoundé yesterday. Now we go also remain for Yaoundé for talk palava this one. African Nation Cup for site for Côte d'Ivoire, Cameroon. It not be performed in the proper. They accuse na countryman where they can say Rigobert song where before be captain for national team for long and he don't win more than 3 African Nation Cup. So they don't come up BB book when a minister where they look at football for inside country say they so Rigobert is a contract. It be finished yesterday number 28 day for February 2024. So confusion is there for inside town, uprising and bars them as they talk say so. Some people them say they so Rigobert song again for continue le coach for Cameroon. Some people them say no, thing where it do is not correct at all. Say better player them where begin for column, it never column. So book it don't come out where the show say this so sometime now different person it go take a chair. We dey only for see him and then talk up as we see him. So if na say new coach will come, we go so tell them. Now Cameroon we dey. So for inside Yaoundé, na palava Women's Day where don't make minister where it there for site for women them. It don't work gather woman them say they so national day that means say that means say number 8 day for March it ever been a day for woman them when Nangomna for Cameroon it belong here as when I see them. So yesterday it will be na launching for the Women's Day. So plenty woman them come, plenty woman them they check the answer sometime. This Women Day now for take a go dance or this Women Day now for buy the rapper or this Women Day now for dance sleep for gutter or sleep for bar where no na so like where them woman where na minister where they look at the woman them and they explain them the best opener for corner for right side na the governor for central region Nasiri Pobia USSF it not be jam for day so woman them too they be talk today so them plenty they dey for inside farm working and then plenty it dey for office say no na plenty dey for office but plenty dey na inside farm and plenty it dey remain for kitchen so and the woman them too they be ask question say they so why for governor they not fit put some woman may a big governor for inside a country for the first time why did they put na only woman for Ezio and Joe say they for first try for put someone may a be governor so that me they know say they so till when man picking fit do am woman if fit do am pass am so they be one enam they be dance after they give woman them kako where they get for use am for that day so it not be easy for inside country for side for Limbe live and countryman for side for Limbe so palava for Women's Day a maker now some country people them they go talk say they so this woman will be come out now the only woman where the mayor for site for Limbe inside that site for Fako say it is so it don't work fine they go give Musanga me we hear now team way ma a posi where na mayor for Limbe one it go talk me we hear ma
yes but they didn't under the UN they just surprised me say I be singled out like a female mayor where I don't work very well so they can't give me award say make I do more work for my municipality. I've glad plenty. I don't get plenty award but this is their own way they bring out today now some special one. You feel see what it is for my shoulder, you feel see for my breast, you feel see the gold award where they give me the award board they over plenty they don't even give me some international one way as I used to go seminar out of the country when I did go me too I go hold that one and I go put this one for my breast make them see say we too for Cameroon we too with the give award so I've glad plenty and I want to tell my councillor they say I've glad with them may they continue for work with me. I tell my workers for office say I've thanked them so much may they always work with me fine and each time I call them may they come and even the media because I guess some journalists the way they used to come they did remind me say mommy I don't pass on this road got over day I go talk with my collaborators in for office we go put sea word for them So I want to thank even the media. I want to thank the DO, I want to thank the SDO, where they always call me for advice me. I think say I over succeed today because I give a listening ear to the population. Because my office every day people they come. The one where I know if help you, I go send you for city council. I go tell you say no, na city council they do this one. The one where I feel make I the maker. So I thank even the city mayor and the collaborators too, because sometimes when I call you, I say, Papa, it don't bad, they will come for this side. The city mayor, they come. Me and the put hands together, we work together. So I thank all my population for Limbe 1 municipality. They really work with me, like say, I be their mama. So I want to thank God plenty. Say, it will always guide me for work very well.
So it happened. Now the only woman for side for Southwest with the mayor. Now why that way they be tossed today, so they will give Musanga as number 8 day for March it come when another on day. So the woman say they so don't glad plenty as they don't recognize say they so he it work better work for side for Limbe 1. Now we go come on now with internal for side for Douala. This one now for judicial police for side for Bonajo. What did happen? They say they so they don't get news customer. Now they're not the two. This boy and they so they pass Arata. Arata pass them only with 10. Now them this. Them two. What did they for that before? Na baby knife. Missini Frankie. Now in that. When people kidnap some girl for university for side for Douala, he bring them for Ndoxibi for play way. He the shidong. He na grandmammy. Now he wear a can put for inside room. After it for inside so he even carry me to go play live for picker with. Now when they say they so now for night, he no fit go. Now when the boy come out one time lock the door for outside. He go play live. He come back. After now he talk say they so me the girl he give number according to the thing way commissioner for site for page for Bonanjo he talk am. So he talk say they so he take number for parents and for that girl he call them say they so 2 million if you know they will not see with a picking no one day. Now way family check sense he go one time with this big knife we wanna see him and this knife nothing where they sell them for inside town even for your own day. Those where they talk say they so forget knife or collars. For inside country, they get for bring photocopy for the identity card, they know the CM. So these two boy them, they last now, they see say they so family, you know one bring their money, they use the knife, and then the girl, he says a check. They say they so, we want chop soya, that girl say ngam. They say they want go do well and confirm and form. That girl say it don't happen. Now he will knife, it come out for under bed, one time. That guy say they so number 3 foot God be give him free and we they so any man if he pass for that number 3 foot now where the boy them pass for the this one they pass it can last turn they say they so na road for train where it could use them careless. So this thing it vex police people them time we complain he land for that table now way they come on one time and then take spectacle they spy they see how this boy they last now waka go catch them bring them for side for page and not for side for Bonanjo they go judge them now for Ndokoti he on a court where majesty SSF he where this boy them and sote pass mark say thing where they don't make them they enough fine at all say if they just ask that money and then it will be different. Then when the girl it don't succeed come out, now they will alarm a blow, they can't catch him. It remains Simon they will catch grandmammy and we grandmammy it not get her inside. So now with the talk so they don't feel rich now for a cut where some more time we will hear where they so they don't send them now how many. Anyhow day we on now for see him show up. If it touch you, no vex because tomorrow it go touch your neighbor. Me we go now for side from Consamba for talk chapter for accident Melon Road in the key pass even see that. I say for Melon now Okada man when he says if you get for carry for side for Douala he last now can live his life for this place. Okada people that don't vex because the Okada man we don't die a baby now popular Okada man for that side for in Consamba. So they don't come now, police don't come, gendarme come now for draw thing when they come and say constar. Constant for inside Cameroon did they ever drop, but we know the last know who he don't win, who will be on the right and who will be on the wrong. Now what this countryman they try for tell we say na so be the work for corner road as grass too it don't grow for the highway national road number 5 grass it can't cover them no man no the talk we so put na on the target we the so put na checkpoint but we know the bank maintenance according talk with this man in the talk say they so this thing in na say they be chapia grass way they for corner road sometime Okada man if you see how camion it don't come up far away but since the grass it don't cover them na thing that way it don't cost them for Cameroon we could so see them talk up as we dey talk am but it could not go happen as people in the check up so since that way gendarme it don't go stand and then camion you say don't mind the accident it tumble side that means say Okada get power for make am camion a fall for road so na kako this way camion we carry am but since that way Okada dey so have you ever tell what I say so if you come on morning time make prayer you want turn back you make prayer because you don't know side way devil a day. Devil in the work of Cameroon way when a blue up down and I don't pen him up with red pen. When we sing them, they she don't cry and they say they know you talk way with the talk, but we go so the talk every day. One day, sometime they go catch the devil driver. Devil don't come for Cameroon. We find woman, give them for you, whenever pay bride price, if they born picking them careless. Now when they were message for Shaman in time we talk to them so any woman where they stay with man picking, where man picking never pay dowry and man picking in no side way family for the woman they no say the woman na useless woman and no say the man too na useless man because we not be together for house and then man no know side way another man in family it dey. Where I share for the family where they don't lost their family member. Okada now work for Cameroon and now profession for some people. And when na through that Okada, where they put chop for table for their family. Although we recognize Okada for Cameroon na time for election. After election, they say we go pay impôt liberatoire. They say we go pay stationnement. But time for campaign, that book them, you know they exist. Asha, anyhow way they got you know why we it don't happen so. We gonna have a Bamina main market as we be showing now. Say there's so fire, it be surprise business people and for Baminda main market. And it be back and panic with them because some people them they be run, they check say sometime, now boy them where they should go on. Other people they say sometime they be check that also na bomb again because Baminda don't turn a place where they create bomb and place where they make them bomb it explode. So they look am say there's so fire don't start for some countryman. He shop where agent come over lock am and he one go for us, he nobody for us. Telephone a cry for your pocket. He come out time they say turn back for market. Your shop in the bond. Last they tell we say there's so a baby na 300 shops according to commandant for firefighters for that side, Mr. Tago. So this thing is because panic and plenty people they don't lost their business kako for inside this fire where it happened for main market for Bamina. So yesterday we been a day where city mayor and the Joe for Mizam it be get for visit. We will go for follow up go see him. It not be easy. Now yesterday for 10 o'clock time where to remember broke the tourist say they so they don't go for go visit the main market for see whether to throw it on board. All over the government, those where they will run shop for council, all them they don't come with their photocopy for ID card, with photocopy for the business kako where they will sell them. Nothing that way will ever sing them. When you rent house for some man, that way you enter, try to get the picture for the house. When you want to come out, you film and because you don't know where if you come next. When you put your business kako, make photo, me there for inside your phone. Should in case fire a bonum, you go show proof. So that means they know the capital will be there for inside. Now do that. Now city mayor that. Yes, city mayor that way country close. Even the Joe don't come see him, he say this so population don't really make losses. Population don't really make losses. I the talk say this so me they register all man because number one for country. President Paul Biya, he don't talk to this, so he get for solve their problem. Say get for solve their problem. That means that the show say this, so he get for give them capital for start back their business. But me the money when Kunkuma go give up. Me some people are not take and put over back pocket though because we know how Cameroon the turn. See more time commission go start. They go question commission. No, this commission na commission where he get for share money for the business people and where they lost their shop and they lost their capital. See more time you just know this one na commission where He get for look where they so this man is store. Till them they reach 10,000. When I be sure they turn a true, so they begin to 100,000. But we could give you 10,000. Now so commission than ever work for country. Well, mommy, when I never list, now city mayor that. We don't wear country close, but country cap a jam. They know the way country close, where country cap, no they all countryman. Yes. Now man for side for Bamina, how you could dress that kind of way. So now they shop them that. Council get money for where it be the take and for rentage. Where normal as a bond. They shop them not begin for make 1 week. Where they never start the bill, the zinc come back. Huh? So they don't write notice. Any person where he be the partner pass. Or he be the keep the kako for front some man in shop. Me not come with list. Me not come with the name. Say it is so be get shovel. Because the shop, any man, he get book for the shop. And the book, he carried number for the shop. Because when it happens, so some people then they go gather. Carry only their family member. Go with them. Because now for Cameroon with the shop, now only for family. They go carry only their family member. Call the one where they village. When I come or chop them fall. They can't put all their names for list. When the money one come, when I discover, say don't go there for one person. Will not be normal. Will not be normal. And they talk nothing way if it happen. And not be say, I know one be set for inside commission. Yes, I know one be me for any commission because we like nothing way to go straight. Yes, we know one for be for that commission. When I put people away, we fit choose when I people away the day for commission. Those way they be straight for Cameroon, like ruler. Yes. Now we could hear nothing where the woman then where they lost their kako for inside shop, they go talk. Madam, you be getting now waiting for inside your shop, and that shop be the feed who and who. Talk me we hear.
So I really want to explain what happened again. It was on a Thursday. Tomorrow will make it a week that this incident happened. I went to church. I was in church. They told me that main market is on fire. I was like, is it affecting our store? Then call my sister, because it was my other sister, my junior sister that called. She said, yes, it's affecting our store. Let's come. So upon coming, the fire had already gone to the extent that we could not control anything again. We could not do anything. We could not remove anything. And in our store, we had 2 industrial machines. We had dresses that we were selling. We had shoes. We had other things. We had our document, birth certificates, my brother's document, passport. Because during the crisis in Chomba, when they were burning houses, my mom took those documents and came and kept them in her store here for safety, because she knows nothing can happen like this. So she came and kept those documents. Even her document, the document of the store, everything got burned inside. Our birth certificate, we are like this, we don't have anything. We need to start back from square one. We need to make new birth certificate. Our passports that were there, it got burned. The dresses that our mother was selling, that she struggled, new dresses, money. Even that day beforehand, just that day, before there was 3 days, the money that she struggled and gathered from NJANGI, it got burned in the store. New dresses that she went and bought them, it got burned in the store. Because we had the 3 of us inside the store with our mom. Even the document of the store got burned. But all we just want to say is that we want to beg the government or whoever is helping that they should help us, because we are in pain. This store is fitting so many souls, brothers, sisters, neighbors, friends, everybody. It's really affecting us. We really need help, assistance. We really want to beg that in any way they can help us, even if it's just to be the shirt and give us, and let's start from somewhere. We'll be very grateful.
Schedule 9-8 at the tenure of this Madam Kate. Since as this incident starts, it is actually a great losses to me, because this business, I've been doing this business for almost going now to 15 years. I've been doing this cake business, tailoring, accessories, selling things of birthdays, selling wedding things, selling funeral things. My store just be combined with many other stuff that I'm selling inside the market. So when I estimate just the amount of things, the losses that I've lost in this business is going around 20 million. So from now, I don't know how I'm coping. We are just hoping that if the government can compensate us, it will be good for our side. I don't know what I can say for now, but we are just living now only by the grace of God.
You say 8 million when you came here.
It happened. Me we hear nothing where city mayor for side for Bamina he get for Countryman, wait till you get for talk, you say, now who you get for help this business people the way that business a don't burn. Talk me with here, city mayor.
We'll be able to get this market on the move. What I've equally ascertained here is that 9/10 of the victims of this fire are women. I have called upon them, and I'm still calling upon them. That is one person who can, with the thumbprint, this market will kickstart. And that person is His Excellency President Paul Biya, who is the fund of funds and is the father of the nation. For the moment, he has the 4 aces in his hands. So I'm appealing to the women that with the designs which we're going to have, let them come out on the 8th of March. All of them, and show solidarity to the head of state and make their cry known to him. I can assure you he will hear, and as fatherly as he is, he will react promptly. That's the purpose and the objective of the city mayor for now.
I think I'm glad. And at the back council, if they feel fix and quick, so the man they come out for door, they can't shit on for them. Yeah, now the thing that was at the back government, anything where they give me, I'm glad for start with. Thank you for that.
So when I don't hear talk way, he don't talk for that side. Tomorrow, we could come with the talk for LTM, Mr. Josh Eto, for side for Baminda winner correspondent. Tomorrow, USSF he could report live for that side. Now, country people, when I know say tomorrow on Friday, where we get for show all thing way we don't show them for inside week. So tomorrow we could go live for side for Baminda so that I for LTM a blue talk for that side, and we will get some business people them too where they shop the non-born tomorrow where they go blue am for pigeon. Live and countryman. Now when I get for she down nothing where when I don't see him, and they will when I see him it be been a cry die. But things them don't change. They say prayer now the key for life. Me we go now for site for Bamungo. Quarter where they come and say Mukang for go see where to be pass. Where to be pass, where it make and the chief for Mukang, it become cry life for Tori House. If we not see the member, but tomorrow we go bring them back. Me we see how it be happen. That way we be talking. Some people that say they get for see before they believe. We call the chief me come live for Tori House for Yaoundé a camp. This one now road where they come up for Bamungo for come from Mukang quarter. Now the school is where this man will go for America. One money so he talks to this so he not fit develop different man in village. He could develop na village where na Bamungo. He can open the BB school for Mukang quarter. Big palace for Mukang quarter. Open market now picking and this. And they will go to the school now for Njo for 2 years. When I see so they picking them as when I see so. They will go to the school where they know they pay no one kobo. Now the man will decide. Say this one now picking for his brothers them, now picking for his sister them. In Africa open school, they talk to me they pay. It will be an jaw of charge. So the woman where they teach their picking and they plenty. They say some people them as we call them for Cameroon say, or non-God men, they become kidnap them. Kidnap all the teachers. So that they shoot person where now they even local the school. Yes, they be shoot up so that they for hospital they operate up. And then they kidnap all the teachers them, plus picking for 4 months, they enter with them for inside bush. He make them, chief he can cry live for Tori House. Say, they begin condition say, me beg people them for Bamungo. And he become beg people them for Bamungo. And people them for Bamungo, they don't hear, they cry way. Chief, he become cry for Tori House. Now see him? So it not be easy. Yes, this countryman, they will be go for the everyday fine after they can't shoot and we gone. Now soon the school they go. I say free of charge. As the man can talk live for here, I be sure would have follow the program. The school be go free of charge, they not be pay no nothing. But the thing be pass the man say, how he go give free education after they can't kidnap teacher again. That means say when I want to say me the picking and can't be door picking them. So that they don't make inside bush more than 2 weeks. But the good news, now say no person ever die. Yesterday for evening, for night, they don't release all the teacher them, plus the small pikin where it will get 4 months, where be for inside bush for 2 weeks. So now God, it don't make them. So with the time, the people them, where they don't release them, say me they go meet up their family. Now God, I say now God, it don't help. When to remind they ever show them, now so God the year prayer, we be show them before they release them. That means say, now we hunting that we give where God it don't give for we. Yes. So although we will make the program so then carry them, go send them for another side, then people then too they make their own program day for their own way. But that one we not get time day, we the only do now work for God. Live and countryman. We could go now for site for Donga Mantum Division as they don't cry. How they be worker for inside mud, worker for inside dust. Government for Cameroon, a last check says, say this so, the oldest division, Donga Mantum Division wave, they be created for 1954, is still there for inside dust and mud. How? He decided for talk say this so. 3 company them, they could take this route. Bones, Mac, and Bofas. Now them way government give the route for them. Bones, it is start for Mbamkikai for Kumbu, can live on for site from Beye. Mac company, it take them from Beye, live on for under police station for Binju, and then Bofas, it take them for that police station, go for site for Dumbu. Yesterday, the SDO, the new SDO for Donga Mantum Division, it be visit their work. Me will go see them. So na so, Newton Kambe, and Fumban and the rest, now the SDO that, Mr. George. Now the SDO that, we don't come change Dr. Simon Nkwetindo, where they now for site for Garwa. Now you go to talk now na Furbe. Yes, he go for Bones, and Bones company where they be born Caterpillar. So the new SDO, we go see how the company, it work from that side for Bamkikai Junction, for carriage from Beye. He said this so they remove all the stone them. So they wish people that when they there for that side, me they hell with the wish, me they chakara this stone, bring kunta for that side, me Donga Mantum they come up for inside mud and for inside doors. Me they work on top kunta because they be the oldest company. Mark company, where when I start be all side where the fees road for the whole country. They can't do for ye. Ye says it show them how it don't go far from Beye for can reach for police station. So now on engine and this where it match and go left and right. This one now His Excellency Shea Jones Yembe ye on company. So now he where it take the main road for the town for go time. Now he on place this for side for Binka where he don't put the on yes now he on place this where all ye kako it be for here all motor them they park na here. When I see the way where they broke big hill when I see so now ye where it broke and so they welcome both fast where they come up for side for Binju go in for side for Dumbu now you on machine and that too where they dig for that side. So as you look it talks to the so the road it go quick. Say the road it go finish quick. And it assure the population for Cameroon and the government say they so the 3 companies then where they take the contract, he don't see the work where they work up. Say don't see the work where the company it work up. No mean that kind contractor the way they take road, go live them. Take for make road, go live them. Take for B bridge, go live them. Now anyway SDO USSF, you don't see them, they confirm. Me we hear where they talk. This one a delegate for public works for side for Donga Mantum Division. This one now big man where they control the work for MAC.
Mise en dépôt pour les matériaux rocheux et des blés mis en remblai pour les blés meubles.
Ah, live on you. Live on, yes, live on. Live on. We know the ESF team where they talk because say cameraman or if we don't dream member or if we do now how we did your year now win. Pa. When you want to take person again next time, you when win the camp for this side for right. Eh? You put the man now for the right side, and then you stand for this side. Me, wind can jump for your skin. Me, camera, they take the thing where the man, they talk fine. How they so did learn when every day, but now say when I know the year 12. Since I would the year 13 for Cameroon, and we be Thomas. So now the small one will be get time, but the population for side for Donga Mantum division, they don't the glad. Say they so, then two they go put foot on top counter. So with the time the 3 companies them, where they do fine work. Say me they turn up only so. Me they forget about the people them where they be one can spoil their work. Yes, those where they be born caterpillar. Tradition, you don't begin to catch them. And small time they go confess. So from the starting, I be beg those for Donga Mantum division. Say any man will get wish. Me take that wish. Go Adam with that wish for caterpillar. Me then broke the road fine. Yes. When I use the wish for Brookham, me when I not use the wish for the kill people. When I use the wish, Adam for the wish for caterpillar, when a white man bring them, me the chakara the road fine. Me with the pay machine for 100 francs for go for upper mode. For common upper mode, you pay 150. You go from Camber town. You not go fine. When I there for town here, man they come out here for go from go to 100 francs. Fiang, machine don't go drop it. But for we on for that side, now for work inside mud. You wear white clothes for commodity weekend, you want it from Camber. The chases sometimes you get a red shirt. Will not be normal. So when I lean for back with that wish for push the company may work, finish the work. So na so it is. Live and continue. Some man they write me message say, okay. Some man they write me message say don't come late. Say that message, you never hear them. So the message be been say, if you be big man for inside meeting, no ever go shit on you when you create law. Because they way they go move you for the shele, big man, different person can shit on for day, it could use the very law and the law could catch you where you be go right you want. Example, those where they be write law for Cameroon. For radio and television for debate program, when they hear how they talk saying that they be write law for Cameroon, no? But the law don't turn back catch them. They be write the law time where they be there for service. Now they don't come on them for that service. They know the one nothing. The law don't start to catch them. They vex and when at them be right time. So enough fine for go create law for any association you want. Yes. Now message. Second message. If you be woman, person married you, you know they should only born picking them. Where the man picking, he no know family, your family for woman, and family for woman no know family for massa. If that woman die for inside that house, that means say government could take the man, say now you don't kill woman, go lock him, and it goes strong for the family for woman for no side way cops for that picking a So that woman they not get sense and the man picking he not get sense. When I not get for the live for one house, we when I no know the two both family. So now the two message. Countryman, I be sure say you don't hear them now. Yes. Now only for today house when they get message we feel help with. But where we send and so it touch some people them. Yes. Forget for no. You feel send your own message too where we figure them for another people them. So Francois could now win dengue will come back and then when I go get calling. Now when I go to call now. But before you want call, make sure say you off the volume for TV. You know the call na me. You the call na the program. And the program now people that they follow them. When you look on for Facebook, now 20,000 people that they follow the program every day. 20,000 people them. That means say they talk with 20,000 people them. I know they talk those way they know they for Facebook. That means say for one day they talk with people them where they pass even 5 million. So no say you know the call na me, you the call program. And now the 5 million people them where they follow you. So now when they will come. Yes. So some correction they way some title holder. Yes, you don't say about yes. No, we not follow now according to the images because the cameraman too normally we get for film the company where they work from Kumbo can reach for site from Bayer if we get for film I'm different. Make them me we get them different. Then film the one where they come up for site for Bayer can reach from Kambe different. Film the one for come up Kambe go for Miss for Dumbo different. Now say the cameraman don't mix the Yes, he don't make mistake. But we be sure say tomorrow we try for put them in order. Yes. Yes, His Excellency. Tomorrow we will put them in order. Yes, and we go back to say me that the people that were the director them director them for the project. Me then try way for make we interview the Senate. That means we wait interview for Bones, big man, and then we wait to interview for a big man will control the project for that side for Mark. He could send the interview, and then Bofast to big man will control the project. He could send the on interview so that we join him tomorrow. We match him, meet people them the year. So now time for calling, and now year way we know they ever be okay. I know they ever be okay with winner because thing where they talk whether they do not opposite thing we not fine. When we talk say before we want to call the program off the volume for TV. Why? We dey talk so that person where they follow talk where you dey talk where if you hear be it go hear. But when you dey talk television they talk the same time. That means you don't put the man for confusion. Mommy then they so where they follow up. Papa then they so where they follow up. You then they where they follow up. Minister then they so where they get for finish watch the program before they go for work. Now because of this program, they produce plenty thing them, but people they don't want for no. But some people they know the importance for the program. Some man they talk something where if it help the country. Yes. So me we talk now the number than that. When you there with family, you come out, go for inside room, you go talk, you come back. When you there for bar, come out, go say for toilet, go talk, you come back. Yes. We there here because we're not there for upside. First call I don't come. Yeah, countryman. Morning. Your voice is shy, so that me say sometimes you don't get small matango.
Yeah, I don't give matango for Thomas.
Yes, Thomas, I say you go phone them go meet up for Bafosam, no? Yeah. You as a title man, you get forbidden. I don't take title because you could go left and right. When I say no, I want to be title people. What you going to tell me, Mr. Thomas?
No, only one talk on the road from Gambia where they don't fix them over here, they over big glass.
Yes, that one I wrote now.
That we wrote over here, find out for Cameroon, probably go see for chair, we go
huh?
That
say this OD road no go pass. Now you be okay, Thomas be one see him before he believe. Now
believe now. Thank God for that one.
Okay. Yeah, man. I over like this Thomas and say when he talk something, he say this so the thing never happen. So he just can't confess it. Yeah, before talk say this so the road you know go pass because of which. Now, he don't say the pass, he don't just come, he can't talk say this, so they thank the company and they thank government. You see him now? Yes. So now so people don't get for live. Yes, when you make mistake, you correct yourself. Hello? Hello? When you correct person for Cameroon, no problem. We decided Mr. Nsabu. Yes, Mr. Nsabu for that side, Mr. Nsabu Bates. We're there for that side for Souza, cultural master for that side. Hello, countryman. Hello?
Hello? Yes?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Okay. No, I did fine.
Who they call the person then of outside you they talk the person where they come over chop chicken?
No, I'm not coming over chop chicken. I come over chop for fun. Yes.
So chop so when man the dry emblem. Where do you get for talk?
No. when man see you know my name is Mr. Peter. Me, I don't ask one thing.
You the call of outside Mr. Peter?
Okay, I the corner for Douala.
Okay.
I the call for Douala.
Yeah.
But I don't ask one thing. Anytime I ever follow you, I like to follow you are this thing. When you make your comment all the time, maybe for 12 o'clock, anytime they follow up. And I don't ask say you be treatment of special for Bamenda people for Northwest because all your program they only based on Northwest. Because you are in Northwest Sinan. You never show today for Southwest. Why? It should be the same that only Bamenda people them where they do for Southern Cameroon, when only they are so far for road also the show. I need to have a Southwest. And the question is because I decided if I show since last year, I show all your reporters, all your images, mostly everything based on Northwest. Can say 99% based on Northwest. So you are programmed for Northwest only.
Yeah.
So me that will show to now Southwest and just say the people them.
Okay.
See now, I mean that people don't create their own journalists. They talk only about their site when I talk about their site.
Okay, you
So
don't finish.
I don't finish, sir.
Okay, Josh, you don't quite.
Okay,
Not off the phone. Not off the phone.
I don't feel me. God bless you for your work because 2022 is fine. But yes, that's why yes.
Not off the phone, no, George. She don't answer you. You don't answer the question, no?
Yes, answer me.
Okay. Tell them, report the common plenty for site for Northwest because one, those for Northwest, now people them way, now good Samaritan way, they don't decide for work for free. Person they take your money, pay transport, use your phone, put credit for inside your phone, videos on thing, send them for we for free. So for Southwest, for send me person send you something. That means they will say you get for pay. And when this thing with the work and so now for say we want to develop the country. But if you talk say they say we know the show thing for Southwest, that means say you know they follow the program because we just come up for show some village for that under Tinto subdivision where people they don't run for that village because they ask them 1 million, they don't go for 5 million.
I know.
We don't show road them for that side for Bakuma. We show you the way they don't start the system but go for a condo. If you talk say we know the show today for Southwest, we just come out today for show mayor for Limbe where the Limbe one. If you talk so that means say now for convention.
I see my brother. It's okay to talk. You talk for me for phone. You don't say you don't come out for television. People they hear. So
Okay, I go talk for you for phone. Okay, after the program I go talk for you. So any man where there for any side me try way for make sacrifice. Yes, so that me with the short team them for the village. We not fit divide with self, but people them for Northwest now them they don't understand say they get for the show that problem them for television they help them. Hello, countryman. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, my name is Isaac. The call for Yaoundé.
Yes, talk with power, Abek.
I said.
Yes.
I appreciate that military the way they did for Cameroon. I appreciate them because they don't sacrifice their lives. They made it fix the road because if anything will happen now, that their life will go. So I'll be very happy for that military. Them.
Okay. Any man they talk you on. I will just say you want to talk again. Say why did they show now on the team for Norway? Man, no, they know. Hello, countryman. We salute all man for side for Mundemba as we be talk about Mundemba. So it is show they say peace. It will come from Mundemba. Yes, me any man we there for side for bush me come out, and then me we see I will with the salute the Lord Mayor Saka. Yes, we they try your best. Hello. Hello, countryman.
Yes, General Moko, good morning.
If you feel follow the instruction, it go find me and find people and where they follow up. If you feel off the volume, we go talk. But if you not feel off, I will off you. Yes. Hello, countryman.
Hey, good morning, General Moko. National President for Shimbi.
Yes. Oh, youth president and a national youth president for Shimbi. Yes. How for your own side?
No, it go fine.
What is that president for youth for Shimbi?
Yes, I want to have my voice for Westway. Actually, I always appreciate you for what you do. Then I want to ask something for that man when talk. He said he talk about Northwest. He said you know the show Southwest.
Yes.
Yes, that man he don't know where to talk. People as you rightly talk. Then people they know they can't submit their program them. Most program them people they pay. Most program them and they do sacrifice. Most program them people they sacrifice for system in their community they do well. And the system you try your best because you try to show all places the way people they connect. You never discriminate. So the problem I wait because this morning you show all places they will start with. They don't fear. They only come for condemn. Now people that way they cause problem for Cameroon. Yes. That's it. Because when you know, if you understand that negativity, you know the positivity in people. The people when they get division.
Yes. Okay. We don't hear your on talk. We don't hear. We will take another countryman. Hello. Hello. Yes, we don't hear the national youth president for Shimbi. He don't talk. But that my man will be to talk about Southwest now because you know they follow the program. Yes, Bishop will get call at them plenty for side for 80 now. We get them plenty for Limbe. I be Limbe no Northwest. So plenty. Yes. Another person there again because more time we could come out. Yeah. Yes. Yes. We could come out. Yes, more time. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, Moko.
Good morning.
Morning, oh.
The number show 2 team for your village.
I don't chop up the meat for Boya.
How for Boya, countryman? Well, na my man for Boya. If man they call for Boya, that means say the show say you follow this program. Hello?
Yes, Moko.
Yes, madam, come good for 2 hours. Your own name now. You call for which part for country?
They call from premises.
Yeah, premises. Yes, premises. Premises, no been for Northwest, no?
Yeah, they are for a day outside.
Okay. So what you never tell we?
I want to appreciate government for what they run down from Campbell Road Day.
Yes.
Because they are picking up Binsha.
Okay. That means more time you go to work you now on top a Kunta.
Yes, I'll be very happy.
So we get for town government we don't send the contractor them for do the good work. Yes. So we salute all man for side for Benchwa and those who they did for that side for Mabi Concept. We greet those who they did the other side too for Sa. Yes, Sa Village. We salute Mr. Bless. Yeah, Mr. Bless where you watch the program now for side for the Walla. We salute to those for that side for Itam and Ebunji. Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Dr. Wanko.
Good morning, Moko.
Dr. Wanko for Fonfoka.
How about you, Papa?
Na Mindis. Oh, na Mindis. Na good
sir. Thank you very much for that good way to do it.
Thank you.
I want to know only one thing. Don't confuse them where they know one program, make them keep quiet. Don't confuse them where they don't jump ready, don't correct them, they be contented, make them keep quiet. Man, where he get problem, where he get control, say make the hell of you. Where he want to talk. Make some man not have a back, if you get that don't say you don't talk so. Moko, no man where you want to build the houses. It's the man where they give proof of you before you shoot. So if the sideways don't be contented, they do not begin to compare themselves with we. With people they want to complain and they do the thing we want them.
Okay. So we go take we brother away there for that side for one man country. Countryman come good for 3 hours. Hello, we don't hear you fine.
Yes, my name is Charles. I call from Germany.
Yes, Mr. Charles, Germany. Germany. Don't
so my contribution now concerning this Women's Day where you be just mentioned, I still say they like Cameroon do not understand the meaning of this Women's Day because for years for Germany when they are there. On this Women's Day, women they go for street to protest, not to march, talk to the event like domestic violence, how do they treat them poorly, either government treat them poorly or whom they treat them poorly. That will protest. You will see some women that say even they work naked. They will come go drink drunk or sleep or bar, enjoy extravagant life on that particular day. I don't know why they don't understand the meaning of this Women's Day. The same thing like Labor Day they come for you na protest. It's not a day for people to come and exhibit their work to enjoy. Like they were protest, but still they pay their family at their salary. For example, like now they ask for price to Cameroon, things they don't overdo because they get for apex. For civil time and their money, so that means the people buy. But you will see people they go out to go enjoy. Because they need to do something for maybe people that they really know the meaning of this Labor Day. Because at least the women of Cameroon or the people of Cameroon know the meaning of Women's Day. And our contribution this is Moko.
Thank you. Yes. Yes, now we brought away the ever call for that side. Now one of the fun. So country people them, it is shows a time it don't finish. Yes, it is shows a time don't finish. And we need say, me will send message. Live and countryman. Yes, me man no call. So first message we don't go. Second message, it can't go now. Me man no call. I don't talk say the program don't finish. Oh, when I want to say me the move, yeah, move that number, put it on WhatsApp number. Me they not call again. When you come out for play where you come out, fair ask and whether it is so the certificate where I get them now which one. Before you go ask work for person because plenty people them they get they get a conflict with some elite them for Cameroon. When man just shit over your house, he just talk say so this man a big man. Why not they take people them for work? Forget for no say they work with the big man. We don't go school, go learn them. You when you never go school, you want to say me they employ you for that work now how? First, when you want to ask some person for put you for work, first tell you the level where you get. Because that thing overcause confusion. This one they only give a member for people. This one not they take people them for work. All that one now talk for bar. That talk is not get used. Me we try for the reason and try for get respect. Why would they lack respect for some elite them? It not be normal. If you be go run for school, if na say you be part na tire, or you be mechanic, or you be carpenter, or you be bike rider, concentrate for that work where you dey work am. For 10 years, 20 years, you must be rich man. No be na must say you must go work for place where some man they work, they earn plenty money. No. Me when I leave person with your own work. Because the more you look the person in your own work, the more you're on the road in the go. And then that man he on, it also improve the go before. Now you they make losses. Not the person. For take person for work in a time where you don't bring your application. You can't drop them. Now the man in your get for take over work. Not now elite get for take over work. The elite will get a company. But not now they recruit people them. So me we know that one. Now another thing that we are the send them for upside. Another one where I want send them again for outside. And it go for all man, even man where they complain. Or man where not they complain and say, me will learn for the make sacrifice. Some man don't talk very far. Now person where you know me now for this program. You know we don't see me face to face. I know we don't see face to face. Dr. Wanko for Fonfoka. Turi man na man where not ever work out for people that office. And Turi man na man where not ever go in for visit for my house. No be say Turi man get, I no get me no nothing. Even bicycle, you know they. But now respect where I they respect the population and the fans. Where they make I know they move as when I want them. And then the next now say what when you complain say we know the shooting them for Southwest. That means say now for scatter the program. And where it goes strong for semi man scatter this program because say God will there forever, ye be witness. Now he be send we for can do this work. I know what we will do. We know the work for Satan, we the work for God. Now for make me when I know say so those for the Southwest where they don't complain. Even when they complain, those for Garwa and for Adamawa they go talk so with it. That means say they go instead come now for can't close the program like close them. Because first, man for the zone for the Southwest, now few of them, now few that is make sacrifice for videos until send and for we. I say now few. But say for Northwest now people them way now good Samaritan and there for that side because man prefer for show you problem we get them for television. But if you hide your problem, you want to me to help you how? No way. So I would like to say that my brother we don't give complaint. He get the right oh. He get right for talk. Thing way they vexy. So they beg you say me try for go for inside group them for Southwest. Give the information say anything where they happen for any village, me they put their phone so. Video them, send them. So that me will show them, me the other people them for different side they see them. But if I say that they contour for put data. And if I say that they contour for pay transport, okay, so until they happen for Boya. Person there for Motengedi. Man for Boya, no female. If the expensive man come up for Motengedi, go video am. Countryman, so me you see am. Tell your country people them. Yes, say me then try for the sacrifice. Me they learn for sacrifice because it will help them. So with the show and so now for free, we don't go pay. But team for pay, it day. If you send any image, the talk say you get for pay, that means you go pass for commercial section and then you pay. So we thank all we now for the contribution. We thank those who they send with Panable. Yes, we thank them plenty because Panable nothing way they make them plenty people in the land. Yes, it touch some person, it correct himself. We thank those who they send with messages them and then for send and for winner. Yes. So we thank them plenty. We thank those who they participate for this program every day. They use now their money. Yes, for put their credit and then participate. And why you dey participate? You dey participate now for fix the country because they talk where you dey talk am. They go shift them. Take fine one for the way if you fix country. Take one way we get for scatter country. Send and me water carry and go. So when we gather the talk, we go shift them. We take fine one, use them. So that's so it is. So we return all the funds them for site for Northwest. We return all the chief them like Chief Henry Dico for site for Mayville Village. And we return to Chief Daniel Dipoko, we there for that side for Misaka Village under Tico subdivision. You know they miss their program. We salute Chief Moja Action Chief for that side. He watched the program, and we salute the Chief for side for my for Dipanda Village. Where they watch the program. We salute all the chief there for that side, and we salute all the chief there for Central Region. We salute Lamido and Alaji them where they did for side for Garwa. And for Garwa Bulai, for Ngandere, and the rest, we salute all man for Betua. Say tomorrow could be another day, same time, but tomorrow on a Friday, we could get guests, we could get invitees them for here. We winner them get talk for talk tomorrow, and then even the chief where we can't cry for here, tomorrow he get for come again, sometimes he will cry second time, man, you don't know. So anything that for God he hand, where you want to come on any side way day, me your prayer because now God it will protect you as he be trade you. Francois na the match button, Mr. Lobe he be there for front camera, me CSF where I be there for Mike. Then they call me General Moko, the only general for Cameroon where they work and I will broom for sweep dirty for Cameroon, send them for water, me water carry and go so that me Cameroon they clean, me know the smell. Although the broom them don't finish all, we the only past time for talk when I know they send broom. Broom don't finish all. When I don't see dirty, don't start the camp for Cameroon. So when I send when I broom, so that me will start the sweep the town day again back. Bye bye, we don't go.